Hello, this is Ian Chen. I'm presenting video A5, Additional Requirements for Graduate Students. In addition to a text message as review, user can select a rating of 1 to 5 stars. So if I delete this, I'm allowed to create a new comment. And I'm able to select whether it's 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 stars, 4 or 5 stars, and it's provided as a GUI interface, not typing a number. And if the review of the product exists, the average of all ratings should be shown. Let me real quick. Is a great cow. Submit comment. Okay, here the average based on one review. And if I sign out and sign in as a different user, and I view the comment, for the time being there is only one review, and if I add a new review, say it's poor, this is a poor cow, then a new review shows up and the average review rating drops to 3. And the timestamp of the review should be updated at the time they edit. So previously it was okay, so I want to log out and log in as 1, and sign in, view comment, and my review was done about a minute ago, and now I want to edit it. Say this is an okay cow. Submit. Then it's updated, and the time is current time, and it's raised to the top of the list. That's all I have. Thank you.